cylinders up.
Yep.
And keep pushing. Braking. Okay. Perfect. Now,
So the
pushing the
gearbox.
brake.
Yep. And then
Push this.
Pull it.
Or we go straight back. Now, 10 cylinders, 5.2 liters to the left. 5.2 liters, 610 horsepower. From 0 to 100 in 3 seconds, and top speed over 325 kilometers per hour. Carbon ceramic brakes, of course.
It's good for stopping this at speed, that's for sure.
To the right is an excellent car. I raced with Lamborghini, but many years ago, in 1997, 1998, in the European Championship with the Diablo SVR.
Really?
Was the racing version of Diablo. Very fast, 600 horsepower. Now you can go faster if you want. After that corner, you can flat out if you want. We have a lot of torque also at the low revs.
Yep.
Top revs are 8,500, but if you reach top revs and you don't shift up, it shifts up automatically.
Oh, automatically.
Automatically, yeah. Roundabout, second exit.
So, yeah, just on the second exit.
And flat out.
Wow.
And this is nothing.
Really? So we meant to give way to them.
We can't overtake, there is a solid line. I suggest you to slow down, distance, big distance.
Yep.
Second gear. Wait, we need a lot of this. But don't follow the gas pedal.
Yep.
Flat out.
Flat out.
Very fast. Wait. It's better than queuing.
Yeah, true.
Wait, I'm checking the road behind. Okay, now flat out. Flat out.
Wow.
There are 3,500 revs more. He was shifting at 5,000.
Oh, okay. So
of course, progressively. Correct, you're a good driver because you use this one and not this one.
Yeah.
Take progressively the performance of the car. Keep it going. The counter, the back pressure on sound is normal because the exhaust is very short.
Yeah.
And the compression ratio is 13.5 to 1, so it's extremely compressed.
Okay.
To the right. Of course, the bore is much more than the stroke, so the speed of the piston speed is very high.
Yeah.
To the right. Pedals were born with the Ferrari in 1989 in Formula One to simplify the work of the driver. And the technician was John Barnard, an Englishman, an English technician. And one of the drivers was Nigel Mansell.
Yeah, no. Hello, Nigel.
89, many years ago.
Yeah.
I love all cars,
but
I prefer race cars.
That's
because it's much safer to race than to stay on the road.
Yeah.
I'm doing this throttle since 1994. Flat out! Push, 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 push! Now we slow down, second exit, so we go straight very slowly because sometimes people cut the junction here to the right.
Right.
Now we go up to the hill.
So how long have you had the Huracan
2010.
Oh yeah.
But normally I do instructor on the track.
Okay.
I'm doing instructor on the track since 1994. You are a good driver, very precise.
Yeah.
Have you made some courses on the track?
Yeah.
Have
Well,
you made courses?
Not yet. Like I mean, because I was here for my friend's wedding. Like I'm planning on coming back to Italy just to trial at least all this,
Yeah.
just for the track, especially because I want to go just the 360 challenge.
360.
track.
Yes, beautiful car. 360. Single clutch, however.
Yeah, like I mean, I love as much as dual clutch is faster. Single clutch, a bit more emotion.
Yes. Boom.
Yeah,
Boom.
exactly.
Aventador is single clutch.
Yeah, it is.
Pay attention. Italian driver everywhere.
Yeah.
I am Italian, but
Yeah.
I know my chickens. There is a little speed bumps after this corner, but it's not a problem with the magnetological suspensions. Only for the speed bump, of course. No problem. The clearance here.
Yeah, it's alright.
There is another speed bounce 50 meters ahead after no more speed bumps. To the right, you keep going to the right. Now you can commute in sport if you want. Okay.
So Corsa makes it really, really low. and it's like for tracks
Corsa, the difference is that if you reach maximum reads, it doesn't shift up automatically
So turning
to the left, and the differentials are in the last position.
Yeah.
So the car is very quick entering in the corner.
Okay.
So and less traction control, less stability control. So for the road is not a good idea. However, if you want it on the straight, you can commute in course. But mind that you have to shift up. It doesn't shift.
Oh, it doesn't shift up in Corsa, so it
But,
shifts up in sport. But
Of course. Mind
Like-
only to shift at not more or 8,500.
because you don't want to redline the engine, that's for sure.
610 horsepower. This car.
So stop and then go
To the left.
And left and straight.
Straight.
I must say, I want to have this in my life. This
Yeah.
is
After there are a lot of straights.
Yeah.
Don't. If there are no cars behind, I suggest you to slow down distance, not to waste meters of the tour. Sorry for my English, but I never speak English, so
Yeah.
I have to refresh it.
that's
Especially the pronunciation.
all right.
Shift down, full gas.
Definitely coming back for this.
What do you think? The first meters with this car?
Yeah, I must say it's a little bit easier than I thought it was going to be, because I mean
it's more friendly.
it's more friendly. Yeah, like turning circle nice and light. I thought like it was going to be a bit, a little bit scarier, but it's actually pretty good. It's really, really good. I like it. So yeah, no, this is literally made the trip worthwhile.
We have torque at any ribs.
Yeah.
Very. At the traffic light,
Yeah.
to the left. The second track is going. And keep going.
Like the tap.
Now the ground here is not.
Oh, so we're in.
It's better a little more, less stiff,
Yeah.
because the ground is really bad. Keep going. Second exit is straight.
Is it?
In Australia, you have a beautiful championship, a V8 supercar.
Yeah, oh,
I
that
love
one.
it. I see it on Italian TV
Yeah?
too. Yeah.
I must say the
Holden, Mercedes,
Holden, Mercedes,
etc.
so many. But because Holden and the Ford that was there, they're stopping making them, so we're not sure what will end up coming in. Okay.
Try this. Shit down and very fast. Like this. Perfect.
Oh, that's very different. Very, very different.
Bigger responsiveness.
It's an electronic, not fly-by-wire.
No, it's an electronic pedal,
yeah.
electronic throttle.
Okay. Which one's better, you think? Do you think electronic or do you think wire?
No, wire.
Wire?
I all style. I am 52. All style drive. I raced only with manual shifting cars. I don't want controls. I don't want anything.
Yeah.
Me and the car, nothing else. When they do passenger, I always off because I want to feel the car.
Yeah. Okay.
It's different.
Yeah, that is very.
First exit. Now we are in a small town, so not fast.
Not too fast. Yeah.
But the acceleration is completely different when you
Yeah.
push very fast on the gas. Let out. Oh, something bigger? No, like a tank, for example. We wait. No hurry.
That thing like here is like the roads are very narrow, so you kind of get used to it. It's
Oh,
tough.
you're a good driver. I'm easy when I stay in this position.
Yeah.
If I'm not easy, I stay like this.
Yeah.
To take the steer.
I think it's.
At the junction, pay attention because it's very narrow. We turn to the left.
To the left, yeah.
Straight ahead. When I go, I have a lot of friends in Switzerland.
Yep.
Switzerland is completely different.
Everyone's
People
very
is
courteous.
polite. Keep going straight. Now we slow down and we turn to the left. Reverse, straight back. Oh, yes, like this is great. We have the camera and with the sensors. Straight. Now a little more, a little more, and now brake. Both pedals, please.
Neutral.
And thank you very much.
you so much.
Excellent driver.